Alright, so on my previous video, I have made a tutorial on how you can utilize the Bing app on your phone to create an AI video that is being powered by the Sora model, which is the best AI image model from OpenAI when it comes to creating a video from a text description. And what's great about this workaround or this feature is that you can access Sora for free without using ChatGPT. And also there seems to be no limit about how many times you can create the video every day, as long as you are willing to wait a bit more. So I think this is a great opportunity to create some quick videos or just to try the capabilities of the Sora model without paying anything. Now, initially, this video generator feature is only available in the mobile version of Bing, but now desktop or web users can also start utilizing the Bing website to create a video with the power of the Sora model. And here's how you can do that. First, let's navigate to bing.com/create. This is the URL. And by the way, I do recommend to actually create an account. It will give you more access, more flexibility, settings, etc. So it's just no-brainer. At this point, they are giving you a lot of free stuff. So I do recommend to create a free Bing or Microsoft account to get more access from Microsoft or Bing. Now, after that, you can click video. And here you can describe what kind of video or stuff that you want AI to generate. In this case, I want to create an aerial video of a heroic statue made out of gold. I do recommend to make the prompt or description to be as descriptive as detailed as possible because it will help AI understand the context of the video. Okay, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. However, there is something here that I still don't like about the Bing video creator feature. Right now, just like in the mobile version, you can only create a vertical video and the duration is capped to 5 seconds. While you can change the speed, you can use the fast mode or standard mode. If you are willing to wait, you can get more quota, but you have to wait a lot longer. And you can use the fast mode if you are trying to create as many videos as possible, but still the duration and aspect ratios are very limited. But I'm hoping that in the future there is going to be the option to change duration or aspect ratio. Now, when you're done with the prompt, you can click create and just wait for about a minute or so for this Sora model to create a video from your description. And by the way, if you want to look at some inspiration, you can navigate to the exploration feature. So on the homepage here, there are some videos that you could take a look and maybe you can get some inspiration from. And these are actually just mixed options, or sorry, mixed creations from people that are using Bing for creating image and video. Unfortunately, there is no filter to only see the video section or the video generations. That's very unfortunate, but that's okay for now. Now, let's go back to my creation. And let's see if the video has been created. It's actually pretty quick, it's less than 1 minute most of the times. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, it looks really amazing. I gotta say, it looks very realistic. And yeah, overall, the lighting, the color looks almost like a real life. And it's definitely following my instruction. It's a statue made of gold with a heroic position. It looks pretty good. And if you want to download this, you can actually just click this and then you can click the download button somewhere here. Yeah, there's this download button. And yeah, that's basically how you can create a video using the Sora model via the Bing website completely for free. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.